Hello! So today I would like to film a little get ready with me. I do have some new products that I would like to kind of test with you, and yeah, I wanted to share these for a while, so I thought this is like the perfect opportunity to film kind of like a more talkative get ready with me. I'm really excited to try some of these products, so let's get started. First thing I wanted to try is Glassy Skin Balm. This is from Tantour, so it's a Korean beauty brand. It's quite popular right now, I feel like, in US, and this is how it looks like. So I will just apply this on my face. I do love a dewy, radiant skin, so this kind of sounded like the perfect product for me. And they say you can use it either as a primer underneath your foundation or on top, so you can actually kind of highlight your skin with this. And it has a really lovely texture. It smells nice, kind of neutrally, but still has a bit of scent to it. I cannot really understand exactly what I'm smelling though. Feels really kind of soft. Definitely makes the skin soft, and you see it's kind of shiny, but it's more of a glossy shine. It's not shimmery. Now let's move on to the next product, which, I mean, this is kind of like a matte foundation, but I thought this will go perfect. Usually if I'm wearing like a matte foundation, I prefer to have really glowy, hydrating base underneath that. Either my skincare routine should be really hydrating, or I'm using something like this. So I will be using L'Essentiel. This is the Guerlain foundation, the 24-hour wear. I must say I really love this packaging. This is probably the best foundation packaging. I don't know why. I love just the design and how it feels in the hand. I do prefer this more than the you know, the more like square kind of bottles. So let's see. So this is the first time I will be trying it, so I'm not sure what is really the finish, but from the bottle I can see that it's more of a matte kind of finish. But hopefully, because we have the balm underneath, it will still look quite radiant. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is like the finish that I like. It's more of a soft focus, so you have the really hydrating, balmy primer or your skincare routine underneath, and then you apply more of a long wearing foundation that is kind of a bit more matte, and you kind of create the perfect finish that I love in a foundation for my face. And as a concealer, surprise surprise, my Nars, this is a soft matte concealer. I'm in the shade Vanilla Light Chew, and I will just apply this underneath my eyes, and then also where I have some of the blemishes. And this is how I like my foundation kind of to be. I prefer this kind of coverage. I want to still see, you know, my freckles and beauty marks and stuff like that. So of course you will still have the blemishes quite visible. So I like to cover them with concealer all the time. To mattify some of the areas, I'm using my Prism Libre from Givenchy. I do love this powder a lot. I think I just love the color correcting properties. Applying it underneath my eyes, and like my T-zone. Now I will apply a little bit of Huda Beauty Tantour. This is in Fair. It's quite warm, but yeah, it kind of works, I think. Just bronzes the complexion, just adds a bit more like warmth to your complexion. But the texture of this and how it blends and how it looks, it's more like a creamy, moussey texture. Applies beautifully with a brush, and it's kind of matte once you blend this in. So I just love this so much. The best bronzer And as a highlighter, I will be using the same balm from Touch and Soul. Let's see if this works great on top. And the thing is, it's very balmy and moisturizing in the beginning, but then it kind of sets a little bit, so just leaves the glow. It's not that just super emollient balm on top that will take off your foundation or whatever you have underneath. Now actually I think I will use this balm a little bit on top of my eyes. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Let's see if this works, because I would like to have that glossy finish in here. Let's hope this will not crease. And then I will take my Charlotte Tilbury push-up lashes, one of the mascaras that I loved in 2020. Okay, so I added a bit of my Lime Crime lip pencil, and on top I'll be using this lipstick from Guerlain. Let's do a little packaging appreciation because it's so stunning. I think this was from the Christmas collection from Guerlain. It's intense red. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will see you in my next video.